In today's fast-paced digital world, capturing and retaining the attention of your audience is more challenging than ever. With a constant bombardment of information, it can be difficult to stand out from the crowd and make your message heard. That's where the art of persuasion comes in, harnessing the power of engaging content to win over hearts and minds. Understanding your audience, the key to effective persuasion. To truly connect with your audience, you must first understand their needs, desires, and pain points. Emotional objectives play a crucial role here. By identifying your reader's problem or struggle, you can tap into their emotions and create content that resonates deeply. Crafting compelling stories, the pathway to engagement. Humans are wired for storytelling. It is an innate part of our nature. By weaving narratives into your content, you can captivate your audience on a deeper level. Unique rationale becomes essential in demonstrating what readers will gain from consuming your content, whether it's knowledge, inspiration, or practical tips. The power of authenticity. Building trust through transparency. In an era plagued by skepticism and fake news, authenticity has become paramount in persuading others effectively. Readers crave genuine connections with brands or individuals they engage with online. Showcasing vulnerability or sharing personal experiences can help build trust and establish credibility. Leveraging social proof, harnessing peer influence. People tend to follow the lead of others when making decisions. This is known as social proof psychology. Utilizing testimonials from satisfied customers or industry experts can significantly influence potential customers' perceptions about products or services offered. Using emotionally charged language, stirring hearts for action. Emotions have a profound impact on decision-making processes. Hence, using emotionally charged language becomes crucial when aiming to persuade. By appealing to readers' emotions, you can create a sense of urgency or desire that motivates them to take action. The power of visuals. Engaging the senses. Visual content has proven to be more effective in capturing attention and conveying information compared to text alone. Incorporating eye-catching images, videos, or infographics into your content can enhance engagement and make it more memorable for your audience. The rule of reciprocity. Giving before receiving. Reciprocity is a powerful psychological principle. When someone does something beneficial for us, we feel compelled to return the favor. Offering valuable insights, free resources, or exclusive discounts can trigger this reciprocity effect and lead your audience towards taking desired actions. Providing concrete takeaways, adding value with actionable tips. Readers appreciate practical advice they can implement immediately after consuming your content. Using numbers as concrete takeaways, 5 ways to improve your writing skills, or 10 productivity hacks for busy professionals, adds clarity and demonstrates the value they will gain from reading your article. Expanding on points, going beyond surface-level knowledge. To truly engage readers and establish yourself as an authority in your field, it's essential to delve deeper into topics rather than just skimming the surface. Expand on points by providing additional context, examples, or case studies that offer a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. In conclusion, the art of persuasion is not about manipulating others but rather about creating meaningful connections through engaging content that resonates with their needs and desires. By understanding our audience's emotional objectives and crafting compelling stories rooted in authenticity and transparency, we can harness the power of social proof psychology, use emotionally charged language, utilize visuals effectively, apply principles like reciprocity, provide actionable tips with concrete takeaways, and expand on points beyond surface-level knowledge. Through these strategies, we have the ability to win over hearts and minds, inspiring action and creating lasting impact. So, let us embrace the art of persuasion and unleash the power of engaging content to make a difference in this noisy digital landscape.